So you can actually make this soup with either Achi or ofor. So you can basically call it Achi soup or ofor soup. My name is Chide. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple Nigerian soup, and I bet you're going to love it. And these are the main ingredients: assorted meat, periwinkles, dried fish, and several others. Season your meat properly. Stir properly to combine. Set on heat and let it boil for 10 minutes. Then add 3 cups of water and continue until the meat softens. Go ahead and add your dried pepper. Add your properly washed dried fish. Add your ground uziza seeds. Stir properly to combine. Now you go ahead, add the palm oil. This should be followed by 5 to 6 cups of water. So go ahead and cover the pot and let the soup boil for 20 minutes. Add your ground crayfish and stir properly to combine. Add your ground Achi. Achi is what thickens the soup. Stir properly, cover the pot and let the Achi dissolve and thicken the soup. Test your soup. Go ahead, adjust ingredients. You can add extra salt. You can add pepper. You want your soup tasting very nice. Go ahead and add the periwinkles, properly washed periwinkles. Stir. I think this looks very lovely. Let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Add your uziza leaves. Another simmering for 3 minutes. And you have your delicious soup. And that's what you get.